You want to keep them happy, but juggling discounts and keeping your books accurate can feel like a three-ring circus. Fear not, fellow Zoho Books user, because discounts don't have to be a mystery. In this video, we'll unveil the secrets to offering discounts in Zoho Books, whether it's for purchases you owe or sales you're making. First, a quick question. Are you giving discounts on your invoices or bills? This might seem obvious, but it sets the stage for where the magic happens. For discounts on invoices you send to customers, sales, Zoho Books offers two main approaches. Transaction-level discounts. This is your classic percentage off the entire bill scenario, perfect for early payment incentives or bulk order deals. Line item discounts. Need to slash prices on specific items? This lets you target individual products or services within an invoice. Let's dive into how to apply these discounts like a pro. Transaction-level discounts, the big picture approach. Imagine you're offering a 10% discount for early payments. Head to Settings in the top right corner, then choose General under Preferences. Scroll down to the Do you give discounts? section. Here's where the magic starts. Select at transaction level. This tells Zoho Books to apply the discount to the entire invoice amount. Now the real fun. Decide if you want the discount applied before or after taxes. This can impact your bottom line, so choose wisely. Once you've made your selection, hit save and you're ready to rock those discounted invoices. Line item discounts. Surgical precision for savings. Maybe you only want to discount a specific service within a larger invoice. Line item discounts are your friend. To create a new invoice with line item discounts, head to Sales on the left sidebar and select Invoices. Click the plus New button and start building your invoice. As you add items, you'll see a discount column. Here, you can enter either a percentage or a flat discount amount for each specific line item. Zoho Books will automatically calculate the final price, making your life easier. Bill payer beware. Taming vendor discounts. Now let's flip the script. What if you're the one receiving a discount from a vendor? Zoho Books has you covered there too. When creating a new bill, purchases, bills plus new, you'll see a discount type drop-down menu. This is your key to unlocking those sweet vendor discounts. Here you have two options. Transaction level. Similar to invoices, this applies the discount to the entire bill amount. Line item level. This lets you assign discounts to specific items within the bill, just like with invoice line items. Once you've chosen the discount type, enter the percentage or amount in the discount field. Don't forget to select the appropriate discount account, usually a discounts received account, to track those savings. Hit save and you're good to go. Bonus tip. Customizing your discount language. Want your invoices to scream, discount awesomeness? Zoho Books lets you customize the discount label displayed on invoices. Head back to Settings, General under Preferences. Scroll down to the discount field and rename it to something catchy, like Early Bird Bonus or Bulk Order Savings. Every little detail counts in building customer loyalty. Zoho Discounts Demystified. With these simple steps, you've unlocked the power of discounts in Zoho Books. Remember, whether you're giving or receiving discounts, Zoho Books has the tools to make the process smooth and accurate. So go forth and conquer your discount dilemmas. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.